Hey everybody, how are you today? It's Monday, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and Inauguration Day here in America, where I think America's going to be changed a lot for the next 4 years. And boy, it's been kind of a heavy few days. It's been a lot of drama, a lot of stuff going on, as we all know. And I'm just taking one day at a time. Today, I'm feeling a lot of anxiety, some sadness and everything. I'm not thrilled for the next 4 years who's running our country. So, and right now as I'm speaking, President Donald Trump is being elected into office. Well, he's already elected, but he's going through the motions for inauguration. So that's happening right now as we speak, and I can't watch it. It's just, I know many of you, some of you probably that are watching, that voted for him. I did not. And I just think the rich people that are going to be running the country and the media mongrels that are bowing down to him, it's a sad day. For those of us that are really, really trying to make the world better. So that's my soapbox moment. I could say a whole lot more, but if you've been following me for a while, you know where my stance is on a lot of things, and it's on humanity and justice and fighting for all. Here in Chicago, a lot of stuff is going on, will happen the next coming days, where there'll be raids on our people from immigration, and they're coming after people that are undocumented and sending them back. So it's just a mess. So that's all I have to say. Sorry, it's kind of a Debbie Downer post, but that's how I feel. And mentioning about TikTok, I'm glad we're back on. There were some people that were shaming people for being on there or supporting TikTok or whatever it may be. If you're not making money, if you're making money or whatever, I'm going to tell you, I don't make any money off of TikTok. If I had more followers, that would be awesome. And kind of that's the goal, but I enjoy doing these videos. There are people that are making lots of money on TikTok, and there's those of us that are not. And I enjoy those communities. I enjoy watching people's videos, some of the crazy stuff, and also doing lives and talking with people that I've met and those connections and learning from one another. That's why I'm on social media, and that's why I talk with other people. So I know some people were like, well, you shouldn't be on here, or you shouldn't be on here. Do what's good for you. Do what's good for you. That's all I can say. But support one another. We're all in this together, and that's what it is. But boy, whoo, what a heavy few days we've had. Today I'm doing brunch with a friend. I'm going out in the cold. It's very cold here today. I'm guessing right now it's about a -4 wind chill. I just noticed up here my ring lights over here. Can't get away with anything. So I'm doing brunch today, just getting away. I just can't watch this stuff going on TV today. I'll catch it in the news later, but I gotta be more productive and be all doom and gloom. So be aware of your surroundings, everybody. Be kind to one another. Be inclusive. It's a strange day for America, and things are going to change. And we all need to be there together and rise up. And I hope you all will be there. You'll join me, and you join others that are doing the Lord's work, doing the work of so many. And just we have to. I'm just on edge with things that are going on. So comment, if you will, below, share, like, all that good stuff. Be good. Find some peace in your day today. Find peace in the days ahead. Be proactive. Check on your neighbors. Check on the people around you. And I'll talk to you on Wednesday. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support as always. Thanks for hearing me out. I'll see you soon.